Time now. And the Rock Iconic. As expected, draws for your lead. Run the Dance. Street Song is on the outside. Inherent comes next. Take Me Tonight next in line is entry number 3, Action Sailor by the Rail Royal Viva, while King Manjo is the early trailer as they leave the straight and working to the 3/4 mile distance. Iconic this time with a commanding breakaway run up 2 over entry number 5, Run the Dance. Then on the outside is Street Song, racing in 4th, Take Me Tonight down in 5th, Inherent, racing in 6th at this moment, Action Sailor, Royal Viva, and King Manjo still bringing up the rear. Heading towards the half mile, Iconic still leading the field. Running now in 2nd is Street Song. Run the Dance drops back in 3rd. Take Me Tonight racing in 4th. Then moving a party outside, Inherent. Action Sailor, Royal Viva remains 2nd last. And trailing the group is King Manjo as they race towards the last 450. Iconic this time by about 3 lengths. Then moving up now on the outside is Street Song together with Inherent as they race to the final 450. Iconic still leading the field is Street Song in between runners, Action Sailor, and moving up on the outside, Inherent, Royal Viva. Also moving up with the last 100 meters more to run. Moving up, Run the Dance, Royal Viva, Action Sailor, Take Me Tonight, and finally, Royal Viva. Run the Dance, Take Me Tonight, Action Sailor, and Street Song for your Pentafecta.